जयपुर में शो कर रहा था, मुझ गिर गई। मोदी से ओवैसी 2 सेकंड में।
My first favorite singer was a singer called Annu Malik. एक गरम चाय की प्याली हो, ये उसको पिलाने वाली हो, चाहे गोरी हो या काली हो, इसके पिछवाड़े में साबुन है दोस्तों। दिखाऊं क्या? तुमको ही तो बोला था 500 में नंगा हो जाऊंगा।
You've been a fantastic honest man. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Stage area clear, copy that. Stage clear, ready for movement. Entry in 3, 2, 1, let's go.
खड़े होकर के तालियां बजाइए, जोर से तालियां बजाइए।
अरे म्यूजिक बंद करो यार। मित्रों, मेरे प्यारे भाइयों और बहनों, मजा आ रहा है? पहले तो मैं अपनी प्राइवेट सिक्योरिटी का तालियों से अभिनंदन करना चाहता हूँ। ये लोग मेरे साथ हमेशा रहते हैं। इनका नाम अमित है, निर्मला। आज तो निर्मला से बहुत खुश हो गए। ऐसा लामूच नकली निकल जाता है। किन लोगों ने इस शो का नाम देखा? पहले शो का नाम का आइडिया है किसी को? आउट ऑफ ट्यून, बहुत बढ़िया, एजुकेटेड ऑडियंस। दिसंबर में यहाँ पर मैंने शो किया था। एक उत्तर प्रदेश के भाई साहब आके बोल रहे हैं, मुझे पता है शो का नाम आउट ऑफ तूने। इसीलिए मैंने सोचा पहले चेक कर का गम नहीं लगा है ढंग से। जयपुर में शो कर रहा था, मुझ गिर गई। मोदी से ओवैसी 2 सेकंड में। 2 सेकंड में। शो का नाम है आउट ऑफ ट्यून। इट्स अ म्यूजिकल कॉमेडी शो। बिफोर आई स्टार्ट द शो, आई वांट टू नो हु इज योर फेवरेट सिंगर, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ म्यूजिक यू लिसन टू? एनी नेम्स? अरिजीत इज ऑलवेज द फर्स्ट नेम। मैम आपका कुमार सानू, बहुत बढ़िया। सोनू निगम, के उदित नारायण, हाँ, रब्बी शेर, अनूप जैन। बाहर निकल जाइए, वो कमरा। सर मैं बता दूं, अगर आपको अनूप जैन के बारे में आइडिया नहीं है, मत गूगल करिए, आपकी ज़िंदगी सही चल रही है। मैंने एक इंटरव्यू में बोला था भी, ये आजकल के गैंडो जनरेशन ऐसे ही तरह के गाने सुनते हैं। अनूप जैन ओ नहीं, बहुत अच्छा लगता है। आप लोगों ने इतने सारे सिंगर्स का नाम लिया, पर मुझे पता है आप लोग रोज रात को घर जाकर किसके गाने सुनते हैं। इंस्टाग्राम रील पे छकाछक ऐसे करते करते एक सिंगर के गाने सुनते हैं। कौन है वो सिंगर? प्रतीक कुहाड़? ना ना ना, बिल्कुल भी नहीं। मैं बताता हूँ। इस सिंगर का नाम है मोदी जी AI जनरेटेड। सुना है कि नहीं? और सजनी रे कैसे कटे दिन रात, ये वाला गाना मैंने मेलोनी के लिए। यू गाइस नो राइट? इसे बोलते हैं गिटार, इसे बोलते हैं गिटार। और आज मैं आप सबको दिखाना चाहता हूँ हाउ इज इट टू वॉच मोदी जी ऑन रेल्स। आर यू गाइस रेडी? आर यू गाइस रेडी? आर यू गाइस रेडी? मैनू क्यों न दिखा, ला 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 ला, ना 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 ना। सिंग विद मी, हो सुना तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा। Welcome to Out of Tune. Things I have to do to make you laugh.
Welcome to the show, guys. Give it up for yourselves. Whoa. Whoa. Thank you, Amit. Thank you.
Good, Amit. Good. याद है आपको कि जैकेट भी उतरेगा. लेकर जाओ. इन्होंने अभी कोल्ड प्ले का कॉन्सर्ट ऑर्गेनाइज कराया था. बहुत अच्छा. राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर अमित एंड यू गाइस.
Oh, man. I'm so happy. Welcome to Out of Tune. I'm so happy all of you have come to my show. Lovely. Thanks for noticing, Gen Z. ये लोग नहीं करेंगे. लगा है कुछ होगा दाग. कुछ दाग होगा इनका. I love it. हाँ. अरे रिकॉर्ड ना भी हो तो क्या बोल. तो हाफ पैंट में है. ये आपके साथ है. शादीशुदा है आप लोग. छोड़ दीजिए इसको अभी. ये this is my dream to attend a comedy show in shorts. This is great. Like, perform in shorts actually. I should perform in shorts. Lovely. हाँ? आज नंगा हो जाऊंगा मैं. 500 में ऐसी नंगाई तुमने कहीं देखी नहीं होगी. Anybody here who plays any kind of like instruments first? Anybody? आप बजाते सर. क्या बजाते हैं आप? Guitar. Wow. How many years have you been playing? Huh? 5-6 years. So you can play the guitar well. ठीक ठाक. आप क्या बजाते हैं? तब. Whoa. I started my career with tabla, sir. Tabla is the most uncool instrument of all times. No respect. Here is a band on stage. The singer is like this. The guitarist is like this. The drummer has at least got a chair. इन लोगों को बोले नीचे बैठ.
बैठ नीचे.
साला ऑडियंस नहीं देख पा रहा है हमको. मैं छोड़ दिया इंस्ट्रूमेंट का. भाग साला. And this is such a cool instrument, the guitar. Yeah. Ma'am, you go to the airport, ma'am. You see somebody with a guitar. You're immediately thinking, oh my God. बस without shorts आ जाता. Such a cool thing to carry, man. The security check guy like, sir, गिटार है आपका लाइए. Sir, आप कभी तबला लेके गए security check में? पूरे एयरपोर्ट में तबला प्लेयर ऐसे. भैया security. Check. But this is also one of the most difficult instruments to learn. Very difficult. You know, people do start the guitar and then they leave it because the moment you enter something called chords, these are called chords. This is the A minor chord, there's the G chord, and then we have the most difficult chord on the guitar called the F chord. This is the reason it's called the F chord. My first favorite singer was a singer called Annu Malik. Anybody had heard about this guy? Any famous song that you guys remember? ये काली काली ऊंची है बिल्डिंग. और क्या गरम चाय. मैम, इट्स नॉट सो स्वीट. ऐसे आप कर रहे हैं गरम चाय की प्याली हो. ऐसा नहीं. द सॉन्ग इज एक गरम चाय की प्याली हो, ये उसको पिलाने वाली हो, चाहे गोरी हो या काली हो, सीने से लगाने वाली हो. इसके पिछवाड़े में साबुन है दोस्तों. There is no ways you can sing a song like this. Horrible songs. देखो बारिश हो रही है. It's raining. Wow, what a composition. मेरा दिल रो रहा है. My heart is paining. इसका इंटरव्यू हुआ था कि सर ये गाना क्या सोच के कंपोज किया सर? कैसे कंपोज किया? लाइक कि मेरे घर के बाहर बारिश हो रही थी. बालकनी में आया मैंने देखा बारिश हो रही है. It's raining. मैं कहा थैंक गॉड बारिश हो रही थी. गलती से इसके बालकनी के बाहर एक कपल लगा होता. सॉन्ग इज डिफरेंट. नो इज लाइक देखो कपल कर रहे हैं. They are doing. Terrible songs, man. Terrible songs. This is famous 90s song. Why did you break my heart? Why did you fall in love? Why did you go away? Imagine the lack of lyrics. 3 बार अवे बोला, इसको लाइन नहीं लिखना था, 3 बार बोल दिया अवे अवे अवे. After writing a paragraph in English, this guy switches to Hindi. He's like, दिल मेरा चुराया क्यों जब ये दिल तोड़ना ही था, हमसे दिल लगाया क्यों जब ये मुंह मोड़ना. You guys know the song, okay? I'm like, why did he stop at Hindi? English, Hindi? Should have covered all the languages of India. Should have started from the most beautiful state of Kerala down south. Malayalam, beautiful language. Should have done that song, yeah? It's like, Node Gutte, Malayalam Day, Sanju Samson, Nore Appankare, Shashi Tharoor, Kerala Kare, God's own country. Should have gone straight away to Uttar Pradesh, like, Dil Mera, Churaya Kyun, मुझे दिल तोड़ना ही था. La 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 la. How can we miss the beautiful state of West Bengal? Artistic side, like, আমি তোমার কে ভালোবাসে, আমি তোমার রক্ত পিয়ে যাবে, আমি তোমার তুমি চণ্ডলিকা, না 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 না. The most beautiful bands of the country, the best singers of the country reside in the northeastern part of India. Their version would have been perfect. Like दिल मेरा सुराया क्यों जब ये दिल तोड़ना ही था, हमसे दिल लगाया क्यों जब ये मुंह मोड़ना ही था. The best version still remains. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. If you're wondering which state is this from, this is the mental state of Annu Malik, where he copied a classic English song and made it his own song. और आप लोगों के families में ऐसा होता है, मतलब see, every Indian family is designed in such a way that there is always scope for one overhyped, self-hyped singer in the family. हमारे यहाँ ये आदमी है मामा. See, Indian families, like, आप समझते हो मामा का इज्जत क्या है? My father, I'll tell you about my father. My father का इज्जत ये है. 25 years in the Indian Army. A colonel in the Indian Army, fought 2 wars for the country. Operation Vijay, Operation Blue Star. ये इज्जत है. पर मेरा मामा की इज्जत ये है. ये आदमी क्या करता है? रेलवे कॉन्ट्रैक्टर. Because mamas are a self-hyped, overhyped and mom-hyped. Have you seen inside your house, your mom is always talking about मामा बहुत talented है, बहुत ज़्यादा talented है. और हमें सब पता है मामा एक औकात के बाद गाना नहीं गा सकते. ये आदमी हग्गा है, हग्गा. और घर में इतना डिफरेंट, मतलब मेरे पापा आज भी कोई कप तोड़ दें, मेरी माँ बोलती है ये देखो कर्नल इन द आर्मी कप तोड़ रहा है आदमी. कप तोड़ दिया आपने, मेरा फेवरेट कप था. और वही मेरे मामा तोड़ दें. ये तो शुभ हो गया, हम तो नया सेट लेने ही वाले थे. इतना डिफरेंस. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर वन फैमिली फंक्शन. माई मामा वॉज देयर, अरे मैं नहीं गा पाऊंगा यार, अरे मैं नहीं गा पाऊंगा यार. एंड गोज ऑन स्टेज एंड सिंग्स दिस सॉन्ग. ऐ जिंदगी गले लगा ले, ऐ जिंदगी गले लगा ले. The moment high scales it is like कि हमने भी इस रंग को गले से लगाया है ना. मामा हक दिए और हम लोग खुश किए रहे. मामा हक दिए. अगले फैमिली फंक्शन में मामा came prepared, starts to sing this song. ऐ जिंदगी गले लगा ले, ऐ जिंदगी गले लगा ले. हम गले से हमें बोल रहा है गाने को। मैं बोला ये क्या कोल्ड प्ले वाला स्कैम कर रहे हो बे, हैं? पैसा कोई और दिया, गाना हमें गाए। आई ग्रू अप इन यूपी। एनीबडी फ्रॉम यूपी हियर? Nothing to be proud of, relax. Don't show yourself. Great. I stayed in UP for 20 years and it's a great state. And I stayed in this small town of Allahabad. Now it's called Prayagraj. It's a big city now, Prayagraj. वहाँ पर ये था कि due to frequent power cuts, we used to play this very famous Indian music game called Antakshari. How many of you played this game? Everybody, right? This is India's favorite time pass game. यूपी में पावर कट्स होते थे 8-8 घंटा, पूरा सोसाइटी साथ में गा रहा है, बस गाए जा रहा है. And I grew up in that place. And I'm not sure, it's been 15 minutes into the show. Not sure if some of you noticed, but I have a stammer. How many of you did notice that? Nobody. Okay, I do have a stammer. I stammer very less now. This was at the highest level when I was in my school. Like, I was a very underconfident kid. I could never open up to girls, I could never ask them for books. I'm like, Pooja, tumhare book. Left, right, center mark khaya hu main. And obviously, as a kid, you're confused कि job interviews में क्या होगा. And when you're in such problems, you reach out to friends for solution. Yeah. And the only problem is, if you ask your friends for a solution, they will give the worst possible answer to this. मेरे दोस्तों ने क्या बोला कि भाई तुझे चाहिए confidence. Just get yourself a girlfriend. You will get confidence. I'm like, yeah, ठीक है, I'll try. I realized I have a problem. I figured out a girl from the other school with a problem. So that we balance each other out. I have a problem, she has a problem. And she was squint-eyed. Squint-eyed समझते हैं आप लोग? भेंगी. इधर देख के वहाँ बात करना. Her name was Disha. एक सच का नाम है ऐसे. अरे सच का है दिशा. And everything was great for the first 1 year. But after 1 year, we had to break up. We had to break up because all this while she was seeing someone else. It was tough, and especially in the game of Antakshari, it was very difficult because for me to stammer and do this, it was like I need to learn some songs which have a stammering start. It's like la 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 la. So that kick start milta na. It's like oh yeah. I'm like fine. So I remembered some 7 to 8 letters. मुझे stammering start वाले गाने मिल गए थे. Light नहीं था. Entire society is playing, and the first song always starts with M. But we were playing M से आया, फिर किसी का है. On that day, my turn was to sing with this letter called J. मेरा फट गया. क्योंकि J से कोई गाना start नहीं होता with a stammering start. मैं सोच रहा हूँ कौन सा shit. And then I remember this was the year of Hera Fairy. Suddenly it clicked me. I started the song. जब भी कोई हसीना देखूं, मेरे दिल के तार बजे बार बार, मेरे दिल के तार बजे बार बार. Oh yeah. छन छन छनाननु, छन छन छनानना, छन छन छनाननम, छन 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 छनाचम. Fuck, I did not stammer. That was the first day I realized that if I sing a song, I don't actually stammer. And this is life-changing. Because मैं अपने दोस्तों के पास चला गया सीधे. उनको गाली दे रहा हूँ. पर गाना गा के. Sir, imagine if you're my friend. Name? Jeetu. Jeetu साले कुत्ते मेरा बैट तेरे पास है तो जल्दी ओ दे कुत्ते। मैं गाली दे रहा हूँ समोसा वाले के पास, समोसा मांगने जा रहा हूँ। 10 रुपए के समोसे दो, 10 रुपए के समोसे दो। और उल्टा बोला 12 रुपए का हो गया है, 12 रुपए का हो गया। I have lost my mind officially. Now my school attendance has increased because now I am attending vivas. जो मैं पहले नहीं करता था। टीचर पूछ रहा है कि रोहित कैन यू एक्सप्लेन एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर। द प्रेशर exerted by the atmosphere is called atmospheric pressure. Like, can you explain me elephant pressure? The pressure exerted by the elephant is called निकल बाहर निकल फेल कर इसको साला। But this is a crazy moment for me. You know, I realized, wow, I can do so many things. But this was the time where I thought I should take things to next level. I should improve my speaking skills now by participating in debates, extempores. And in schools, in those days, there used to be topics, shitty topics like, is poverty boon or bane? Do you remember this kind of stupid boon or bane? So I prepared for an entire week. I signed up. और मेरे दोस्त बोले भाई मत कर, तू हक देगा भाई, मत कर. Remember mama? Don't do that. I still signed up and I prepared for a week. मिरर के सामने प्रैक्टिस किया मैं. I was ready for the D-Day. I'm just about to enter the stage now. And my class teacher stops me. Like, Rohit, all the best. Don't stammer, okay? Shit. I know, this is the worst thing that you can say to a kid who stammers. I entered the stage. Started. I think pop. पीछे मेरे दोस्त पा बोला था हगेगा बोला था. I'm like power. And 30 seconds I'm crying. I leave the stage immediately. And this same teacher is like, don't worry Rohit, come back stronger the next year, okay? Like, Baksali. दिमाग खराब है. Wiping my tears, I reached home. My dad asked me, how's it? How was it? कैसा था? Like, वो सब सही जा रहा था. वो मैम ने आके फिर ऐसे कर दिया. Like, what did the ma'am say? Like, she told me, come back stronger the next year. Like, no. What did the ma'am say? बोला ना पापा अभी तो बोला ना आपको कि come back stronger than next year. Like, no. What did the ma'am say? बोला पापा मैंने अभी आपको बोला ना ma'am said come back stronger the next year. Like, that's what the ma'am said. And that's the first day of my life I realized that if I talk in somebody else's voice, I don't stammer. And this was maddening for me. Because मैं समोसे वाले के पास फिर से गया. 12 रुपए के समोसे दो, 12 रुपए के समोसे दो. उल्टा बोला 15 रुपए का हो गया है, 15 रुपए का हो गया. मैं लोगों को उनकी भाषा में बात कर रहा हूँ. And I've lost my mind again. Because I realized if I sing, I don't stammer. If I talk in somebody else's voice, I don't stammer. And when these two combine, it's basically मैनू क्यों ना दिखा ला 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 ना 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 ना. I have gone mad. But this is the exact time when my father spoke to me. Like, Rohit, come here. See, I knew about this. What do you know about this? What? क्या like आप क्या बोल रहे हो? No, I knew about this stammering problem of yours. And I knew that if you sing, you don't stammer. If you talk in somebody else's voice, you don't stammer. Like, how the hell do you know? And then is revelation number one. Like, I used to stammer too. And I figured it out. And I joined the army. I became confident in life. मैं बोला कि आपने मुझे बोला क्यों नहीं? मैं यहाँ हग रहा हूँ. क्यों नहीं बोला? Like, no, I wanted you to figure it out yourself. Revelation 2. Your grandmom, my mom, she also used to stammer. मैं बोला ये कोई अंबानी का पैसा नहीं आ रहा है नीचे. ये ट्रॉमा आ रहा है नीचे. क्या पागल है क्या? मेरे को क्यों नहीं बताया? He said, no, you should figure these things out yourself. On that day, I wrote a song immediately. कर्नल साहब, आपने मुझे क्यों नहीं बताया? अगर बता देते, आपकी बहू दिशा होती. ओ मेरे मामा द ग्रेट, मेरे मामा द ग्रेट. मम्मी सही थी. This part of the show is heavy for me. I need to take this out. Are you guys enjoying the show? Yeah. Okay, thank you. I feel better now. I hope you guys are enjoying the show. I did figure out life after that. I joined my college. I got some confidence in life. And I landed a job in one of the world's greatest company. I can't take the name of the company, but it rhymes with Bata Consultancy Services. Not sure if you have heard about this greatest company on earth. My first salary at TCS was 13,500. Thank you. I checked last year, they were hiring freshers at 14,200. 12 years, 700 rupees hike. Wow, this is amazing. I joined TCS in Hyderabad. And anybody from Hyderabad here? Oh, lovely, man. Nice. It's a beautiful city. And the day I came there, I realized that I'm coming from Allahabad. My dream was always to attend a concert. How many of you have attended a musical concert here? कहाँ गए आप? किसके कॉन्सर्ट में? Oh wow, what a choice, huh? And this was like this year only? 2 months. Great. Okay. You. Cool. But the concert experiences are great. I'm sure Coldplay was a time of your life. I also wanted to attend. And sir, honestly telling you, 2011, Bryan Adams came to India. And my dream was to attend his concert. The ticket prices were 3,500. My salary, 13.5. Clearly, I cannot shell out this money. But I'm very proud to tell you, when Bryan Adams did come to India last month, on the 16th of December, he was supposed to play in Hyderabad. And his team asked me to open. Because of my musical comedy. But I was busy, so I didn't. Sorry, 3,500. But I did eventually attend my first ever concert. And this concert, I apologize in advance, was a Salman Khan concert. This is not a musical concert. This is a Salman Khan dance concert. Don't judge me. How many of you Salman Khan fans here? You. I call these kind of people bisexuals. Have you seen bisexuals in general? They see Salman Khan and they go mad. Hey, bhai, aage. Hey, bhai, kya kar rahe bhai? Unfortunately, the tickets were sold out, but I took a chance. I stood outside the concert. 1 hour before the show, they released 500 more tickets at 500 rupees. And I was mad. I'm like, wow. I took a chance. I got it. And these are the best seats of any concert. Have you seen concert? ऐसा stage होता है, महंगी ticket, फिर सस्ती, and last में सबसे सस्ती. But इनका advantage क्या होता है? these people get to exit first. तुरंत बाहर निकलते हैं ये लोग. And I'll tell you, for all these Salman Khan haters that you guys are, Salman Khan has an aura. जब वो स्टेज पर आया, there was a volcanic eruption. This is class. And it's a dance concert. Salman Khan clearly cannot dance. We know this. His background dancers are killing it. They're like, woo, 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 सब कर रहे हैं. भाई स्टेज पर आए और 15 मिनट मैंने बगल वाले का बाइनोकुलर लेके देखा. ये क्या कर रहा है बे? हैं? ध्यान से देखा तो वो गाड़ी वाला स्टेप कर रहा था. 15 मिनट ये किया है, फिर ऐसा रुमाल निकाल के ये किया है, फिर ऐसा किया है, बीच में 5 मिनट जीभ, ये भी किया है. He is clearly not dancing. He doesn't know how to dance, but he's killing it. The fans around me are losing it. They're like, oh my, क्या भाई, क्या कर दिए भाई, अरे मजा आ गया भाई. All bisexuals, right? They're loving it. The concert ends after 2 hours, and as lucky as we can get, we exit first. And सब बात करके भाई क्या शो था भाई, मजा आ गया भाई, मजा आ गया भाई. And on that day I realized I had no problems of Ola and Uber. Because these 500 people along with me, they're asking कि साहब कहाँ जाना? कहाँ जाना साहब? मैं बोला मतलब? नहीं हमारी ऑटो खड़ी है, उसमें हम लेके जाते. फिर मुझे पता चला ये 500 ऑटो वालों के साथ मैं पूरा शो देखा हूँ. इन्होंने 500 इन्वेस्ट किया था कि 1000 की सवारी लेके वापस जाएंगे. बोला चलो जाना है घर चलो. But for all you Salman Khan haters, today is the day. I fucking show you a Salman Khan musical concert. Are you guys ready for the Salman Khan musical concert? Let's. अरे भाई. Some shit happened. Namaskar. First of all, light laga do. First of all, a huge round of applause for my dancers. My dancers are the best people on earth. उनका नाम मलाइका अरबाज. नमस्कार. सत श्री अकाल. आदाब. केम छो? केरो हाल? कबाओ. Among all of you, I love you, ma'am. I love you. These days I'm in the news. A certain individual is after my life. I cannot take his name, but I can show you. वही वाला जो वो कान में बोला क्योंकि उसका भी फटा हुआ है. I like it. काफी लोगों को लगता है सलमान खान कुछ नहीं कर सकता, डांस नहीं आता. आज औकात दिखा दूं क्या? दिखाऊं क्या? कोल्ड प्ले की माँ बहन ना कर दी ना. तुमको ही तो बोला था 500 में नंगा हो जाऊंगा. I like it. I like it. Give me a round of applause. I'll start the Salman Khan musical concert. To my haters. स्वागत नहीं करोगे हमारा? The first song of this concert is dedicated to my ex. कौन सी वाली नहीं पता यार. जिसको भी छोड़ा, जिसको भी मैंने छोड़ा ना, उसकी डुप्लीकेट अगले दिन ला ली यार. ऐश्वर्या को छोड़ा, स्नेहा उल्लाल ले आया. कटरीना को छोड़ा, जरीन खान को ले आया. आजकल शेरा के साथ हूँ, माई बॉडीगार्ड. और आप बिल्कुल उसके जैसे लगते हैं. फर्स्ट सॉन्ग टू माई एक्सेस. साली कुत्ती. The second song of this evening. ज़्यादा इज्जत नहीं देता मैं. Second song is one of my favorite songs, which catapulted me in Bollywood. Catapulted. Nice word. आज सुबह ही सीखा हूँ. ओ जाने जाना, ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना, सपनों में रोज आए. हैंगओवर तेरी यादों का हैंगओवर. जब भी मुझे समझ नहीं आता ना, मैं हैंगओवर गा देता. This last song of my concert is an interactive song. So I start the song and you guys finish it. It's my second favorite song. Just chill. The song goes like Soneya dil se mila le, Soneya dil se mila le, dil just chill, chill, just chill, just chill, chill, just chill. Amazing. Now I start and you finish it. तेंदुलकर की बेटी चाहे, तेंदुलकर की बेटी चाहे, बस just kill, kill, just kill, just kill, kill, just kill. मेरा IQ बता दो, मेरा IQ बता दो तुम. Just फुटपाथ पे गाड़ी चलाऊं, फुटपाथ पे गाड़ी चलाऊं मैं. Just kill, just kill. Big boss host मैं करूं, big boss host मैं करूं. Just hangover. Sorry for losing character in between. I was laughing as loud as you people. Thank you so much. You've been fantastic. Yeah, please, please, please. Oh, applause for you. Oh, man. I am having so much fun tonight. I'm sure you guys are too. See, I've been doing stand-up for the last 10 years, and every stand-up comedian's dream is to sell out stadiums, auditoriums. Even I have this dream. Every comedian in India has this dream. But when I look back to that small kid who wasn't able to talk properly, and I look at me now, who's being paid to talk, this is just amazing for me. Absolutely mind-blowing. Whatever happens from here is a bonus for me. I have won at life. I'm just so happy and I'm so grateful that you guys come to my shows. Keep coming to my shows though. Thank you so much for that. And along this whole journey, there are a lot of people who supported me. You know, a lot of people, my family, my friends. One of the strongest support that I have in my life is my wife, my then girlfriend, who invested in me. No, Disha nahi. That story is over. My wife invested in me when nobody was investing. It's like an SIP. कि क्या पता 10 साल बाद इसमें कुछ रिटर्न आ जाए और रिटर्न आ रहा है अच्छा. Because see, it's not easy to have a partner who stammers and you be around this person, and it's not easy because you know sometimes we make love and she thinks she's killing it. Yeah, because I'm like, she's like, yeah, baby, yeah. I'm like, he's like, yeah, baby, I want to go to toilet. Toilet jana hai mujhe. And see, in general also, I just want that people should be aware about people who stammer. As simple as that. मुझे कोई sympathy, empathy नहीं चाहिए. This is not a disability. पर प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है कि अगर कोई गूंगा होता है तो सब बोलते अरे भाई साहब बोल नहीं पा रहे कुछ, गूंगे हैं ना. पर अगर मैं बोल पा रहा हूँ थोड़ा कठिन वे से, जल्दी बोल पनवेल निकल, तेज बोलिए. I just want awareness. Like, it's not a disability. I don't want separate washrooms at airport. नहीं, वो सब नहीं चाहिए. थोड़ा awareness, थोड़ा सा बस. That's it. Which is why, you know, during this entire time of this thing called pandemic, every artist in the country was free. Yeah, मैं बहुत खाली बैठा था. And at that time, because I was so much free in life, I was blessed with a baby girl. Yeah. Thank you. You are clapping as if he contributed to the whole thing. बहुत खुशी था. Don't judge me. विराट कोहली का बच्चा भी उसी टाइम हुआ था. पूरे वर्ल्ड का सबसे बड़ा क्रिकेटर खाली बैठा है, क्या करेगा? कर दिया. And I have a daughter who is absolutely great. She's beautiful. She's, you know, the center of our lives these days. And very recently, we figured that she also stammers. And I looked at her the day we figured this out. I'm like, wow, she also stammers. अब मैं पापा वाली बात कर रहा हूँ. ये अरे पापा ने मुझे नहीं बताया. अरे awesome है ये तो मतलब. And my wife is like, are you mad or something? In that age of bullying, internet bullying, comment section सुन के पढ़ के लोग suicide कर रहे हैं. तुम पागल हो, job interviews का क्या होगा? There's so much problem, you're just ignoring this problem. Then I told her one thing, that if I can do it, and I can choose a profession where I need to talk, if my father can do it, he can join the Indian Army, and my grandmother could do it, then why can't she do it? She is absolutely fine. She's just out of tune. And this last song of the show is dedicated to my daughter Naira and to one of my favorite actors, Hrithik Roshan, who overcame his stammering problem and became a superstar. Join this song and sing along with me, all right? Yeah? Give me a round of applause. I'll start. हो रिश्तेदारों ने मुझे रोका भी है, बचपन से टोका भी है. कक 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 जल्दी बोल पनवेल निकलना है. हो रिश्तेदारों ने मुझे रोका भी है, बचपन से टोका भी है. ये लड़का कैसा है, हकलाता रहता है, रुक रुक के कहता है फ्यूचर डल दिखता है, इन लोगों को अब बैंक बैलेंस है दिखाना। ऐ मेरी नायरा गाए जा, जो होगा देखा जाएगा। ऐ मेरे दिल तू गाए जा। Thank you so much for coming to Out of Tune. This is the last part of the show. This is the last part of the song. Feel free to sing along the song this time with me. एक पल का जीना ऐ मेरी नायरा गाए जा, जो होगा देखा जाएगा। Thank you so much, dear gentlemen. You've been a fantastic audience tonight. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Birthday, Daddy.
Again.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
She is absolutely fine. She's just out of tune. Thank you. It means the absolute world to me that you guys came for the show. I hope you guys had a good time. Yeah. Yes. Thank you so much. You've been fantastic. And we have a round of applause for a few people who were really sporting enough to take jokes, starting from this Coldplay half-pant couple. Not to forget this beautiful guy who wore a mask as if I'm farting on his face. Not to forget people at the back who are really a Salman Khan fan. So this beautiful couple in my front, guys, come on. Thank you so much. I've got some of my family members there. Can we have a huge round of applause for them? Yeah. Thank you. You've been fantastic. If somebody wants to talk to me or take photos, please feel free to. We have some time left before we start the second show. So we need to do it fast. And we've also recorded the show tonight. It is surely coming out on YouTube, this entire show. So whenever you see this entire show online, leave a comment. Leave a comment saying you hate the Coldplay guy with the short. Thank you so much. You've been fantastic. Thank you so much.